Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again in this semester. And in this semester, I teach also instructional media and activities in language teaching. We can call IMALT. This subject handled by me, Dr. Haja Geminastiti Sakir, SPD MPD. Today, I'm going to show you the overview of this subject. This subject present in semester 5 and consists of 2 SKS. It means 2 times 50 minutes. So this class is a combined class from the A, B, C, D that choose this subject, and the schedule is today, Friday at 10 o'clock until 11:40. Every meetings in one semester consists of 16 meetings, and the first meeting usually covers the introduction, like this one, lecture contract, and overview of the subject. And in the half of the meeting there is mid test, and the last of the meeting there is final test. Email course description. This course provides students with theoretical and practical knowledge of instructional media, covering various kinds of media, skills in selecting, developing, operating in inexpensive media for EFL classes, and using printed, projected, and multimedia materials, including songs and games related to the instruction of English. This course also introduces students to the selection and use of conventional media, computer-based media, and other multimedia in the preparation of materials for instructional purposes. Attention will also be given to hardware and software involved in computer-based media production, digital formatting technology, and multimedia production processes. So it is the description of this course, where the instructional objective in this course there are explain the definition of instructional media. The students can identify the kinds of instructional media. The students can identify the function of the instructional media, select appropriate instructional media for teaching English, use media in 4 language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and grammar, vocabularies in teaching and learning process, design appropriate and inexpensive instructional media for language teaching and learning, employ various types of instructional media in language teaching and learning, evaluate the use of instructional media in language teaching and learning. This subject is one of the subject in English for children. So we in this subject we study about how to create media to teach English for children or for young learners. And the teaching learning strategy in this semester still using online learning because the pandemic COVID-19. So there are the types of the teaching learning strategy. There are lecturing. The course is given the form of lecturing and discussing on the plans for this course during the semester, topics and assignment, and then group presentation based on the certain topic, followed by discussion and assignment. So after lecturing, maybe after the mid test, there is group presentation, And then the teaching aids in this subject: printed materials such as articles, books, visual media such as multimedia computer, LCD projector, and internet facilities. And evaluation there are two, consists of mid test and final test. So in this semester, UNM also launched one application called ShamOK. So we use the application in lecturing phase. Maybe in the next meeting we start to use the application too. Next, this is the reference that you can use and read about this subject. There are many reference. You can see, for example, the book from Al-Hinti 2015, English Language Learning at Their Fingertips. How can teachers use tablets to teach EFL children? International. Oh, this is the article, notebooks. And there is Alan teaching English with video. And then Clark designing computer-based learning materials. And there is Chokes teaching language art. So this subject is like I said before, that this subject is a part of English for children. So in this subject we study about how to make the creative media to teach English for children or young learners. So you may read all of the articles about the using media in teaching or learning English, especially for young learners. Next, activities and assignment. In this subject, there is participation in classroom activities, there is group presentation, and there is take-home assignment, individual or group, and mid and final test. There is wise sentence from Richard said that children will not remember you for the material things you've provided, but for the feeling that you cherish them. So in teach children, we must make not just make the materials, but we include the feelings. We touch the feeling of the children, of the child. Okay, and then the evaluation. After doing this subject, there is a criteria of final score from A minus, B plus until E, ya. And then where is the final score you get it? It is from yourself, from your participation of classroom activities, from your home assignment, from your class presentation, from your mid and final project. And the last, before I close my overview of this subject, I want to say the one again wise sentence from Abdul Kalam said that creativity is the key to success in the future, and primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at the level. Okay, thank you for your listening. If any question, you can contact me and we'll discuss you can contact me in email, WA, Instagram, and YouTube channel. And for the subject, we have two application that we can use as a uh, uh, as a class as a online learning media. First is WhatsApp group, and then in LMS Siam Oke. Okay, thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next meeting.